Hey homegirls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tootybaandz and I'm back with another video. So Christmas was like 3 days ago, 2 days ago maybe. Wait, what's today? Oh, 2 days ago. And guess what your girl got? Guess what your girl got? Guess what your girl got? Boom. I got a camera. Woo! So this is the PowerShot. This is the Canon PowerShot G7x Mark II. And I guess this is like a creator kit box. I don't know where it came from. I just got it for Christmas. Thank you, mama. Okay, so I'm excited. Like, I waited 2 days just to open this for y'all. For y'all. So, yeah, because y'all know when I first got it, I wanted to open it then and there. But I was like, I'm going to do an unboxing video. So, I don't even know what to expect to be in here for real. Because I was just expecting the camera, but it looks like this comes with more stuff. So let's take the plastic off. Oh my god, I'm nervous. I've been ready to open this all day, like all day. I've been ready. Ooh. Yes, I still got my tree up. I put it up Christmas Eve. I'm gonna keep it up till New Year's. Oh my gosh. Look. Okay. Alright. So we're gonna pull out the camera first because it comes in its own little box. And she really got the right one. Like, okay, at first I asked for the Sony one, but then everybody was like, the camera, the battery died fast and it overheats too much. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get the one everybody else got. So this one. And she got the right one. I don't even know how to work it. I don't know how to work it. But I'm gonna get some help. Next thing here. Okay, what is this? Oh, a tripod. It comes with a tripod. Okay. And it's by Manfrotto. Manfrotto? SD card, which I think you gotta have this in just to use the camera anyways. So yeah. SD card. And then, oh, what's this? Oh, this is a battery pack. And a battery pack. Yeah. Battery pack for the Canon. Okay. So now, first thing I'm gonna open is the camera, cause why not? So okay. Let me push it. I don't know what to eat. I know what okay. Got some warranty guarantee papers, which I need because this mug better not be overheating. It comes with I think that's a lanyard that should go on your wrist, and this is the actual camera, and this is a battery. Oh, so they give you an extra battery, and it came with a battery. But, and I know what this is. This is a battery charger. So I already got two batteries, and I got a battery charger. So one battery can already be in the camera, the other one can be charging. So I heard that the camera already is dead, or the battery is already dead, so it got to charge. So I'm gonna charge one of the batteries while I talk about this camera. So let's see how to do this. I don't even know how to. Okay. And they tell you like if it's charging or if it's charging or if it's full. Okay, well, look how little it is. Like, what? Then they got the cute little Amazon cases on I mean the little cute cases on Amazon. This is what it looks like. I don't know, cause I know it ain't gonna turn on. Nah, but it flip up. So you hold it and it flip up. Like, so you can see yourself in a viewfinder. So I'm just gonna like Now I don't have to stop the video just to turn the camera. That is so annoying. Like I could just yeah. Cause on my phone, you know how you gotta stop the camera and turn the camera and flip the camera. Nobody got time for that. So okay. So here are the settings. I don't know how to work it, so I'm gonna watch some TikTok videos in the meantime while this battery charging. But oh my gosh, look, it's so cute. Okay, y'all, so I got the tripod out and I got the I'm too excited, I'm dropping stuff. I got the SD card and I still dropped it. I don't know how to work this SD card, so I gotta figure out how to put it in. I don't know what I'm doing at all. And this is kind of heavy duty, like this feel like a good tripod, which is good. It ain't wobbling. Let's try to put the camera on there. I'm so scared, like my hands just feel like, okay, you just twist it, right? Twist, 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 twist. Okay, yeah, it's getting tighter. Oh, it's on. Okay, do it extend though? Do this extend? I don't know. I don't know how to work it. I don't think it expands, but it do move. Yeah, it don't necessarily extend. I know how tripods extend, but it moves. I gotta figure out how to move it without dropping it. Do this come with instructions? I'm so lost, like I don't know what to do. I'm crazy. I'm thinking like you gotta push it up like that, up and down, but you don't. You just push it in and it moves. So when you do that, make sure you're holding the camera. It's gonna like wobble by itself like that. Like you gotta hold it. And this like to get angles, you know? Angles. How cute. Okay, and once you don't want to do it no more, it gets sturdy. Like you don't have to keep doing that. But how freaking cute. Okay, period. Yeah, I can't wait. Like, I just can't wait. I'm waiting on this battery to charge so I can turn it on for y'all. And I'm going to show y'all the difference between my iPhone camera and this camera. And I'm finna figure out how to put this SD card in. So, I'll be back when everything's done. Okay, y'all. So, the battery has been charging for like 20 minutes. It's not all the way charged, of course, but I just want to turn it on, so let me turn it on. I want y'all to see too. So I don't even know what I'm doing. Hold on. How do I know if I'm recording? Hold on, let me put it on the tripod. It's touchscreen, y'all. I didn't even know. Yeah, y'all hear that? Oh, it's focusing. Okay, it's focused on with a blurry background automatically. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna be in public. Okay, I'm gonna record at that angle. How do you record? This is crazy. How did it already? Okay. Okay, I turned it off. Was it just recording? Okay, y'all. So I'm setting the date and the time right now. It's touchscreen, so that's clutch. I didn't know. What this do? Oh shit, that's something there. Okay, I zoomed out. I zoomed in. Y'all, I'm learning. I'm trying to figure out how to record. It keeps taking pictures. I want to record. I don't know how to record. Do you hold it? Let me hold it. Wait. Hold on. Let me hold it this time. I didn't hold it. Let me figure out how to record. So I think I figured it out. I think you have to have it on the recording thing, that only makes sense. Like, let's see if that works. I'm about to hold it. Alright, so I found another button. I didn't forget about the back of the camera, so I think this is what I'm supposed to press. It's recording. I'm so stupid. I'm so dumb. Oh my gosh. But I'm gonna show y'all me. I'm gonna upload this footage so y'all can see the difference. And really, I gotta play with the settings. Y'all probably gonna like the iPhone better right now because I know how to work the settings, you know. But this one, I love it. Oh my gosh. Look. Yeah, I'm definitely about to be recording everything, every little thing. And prepare to be sick of me. Prepare to be sick of your girl. But yeah, y'all, so here's a look at the camera again. It's real cute. Next time y'all see me with this camera, I'm probably gonna have like accessories on it and stuff because I'm just extra like that. Like, I'm ready to get on Amazon. I'm pressing stuff. I had to make sure I was actually getting the camera first. Like, I couldn't wait. But yep, thank you all for watching my video. I love you guys so much. And you already know what I'm about to say. And when I say it, don't be mad at me. But yeah, your girl birthday is March 9th. And you already know what my sub count goal is. 1,000 subscribers. I know y'all can do it. All you gotta do is subscribe, girl. All you gotta do is subscribe. It takes 2 seconds. Not even 2. Maybe 0.5. All you gotta do is subscribe. And yeah, that's all to it. And guess what it costs? Nothing. So yeah, we are done with this video, please. Now for real, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm excited to start my YouTube journey. This is a very good investment. I'm so thankful. Thank you, mama, if you're watching this video. I almost cried. But thank you so much. This is a very great Christmas gift, and I'm very thankful. And I love you. And I'm just talking, but I'm for real. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I will post some more content. And thank y'all for supporting me too. The 500 of y'all that are subscribed. Thank you.